Meditation for better sleep is an ancient practice tailored to modern challenges, enabling individuals to cultivate tranquility and deep rest through deliberate focus and intentional relaxation. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore how to use meditation while in a sleeping position, which enhances its natural alignment with rest and supports the transition into a restorative state. This practice, designed for simplicity and accessibility, provides both novices and experienced meditators with effective strategies to invite profound sleep into their lives. To begin, ensure your environment is conducive to relaxation. Dim the lights, adjust the room's temperature to a comfortable setting, and reduce noise to create a serene atmosphere. Lie down on your bed or any flat surface where you feel entirely supported. Position yourself on your back with your arms resting gently by your sides, or place softly over your abdomen, whichever feels natural and allows your body to settle without strain. Focus on how your body feels supported by the surface beneath you, as this awareness anchors your practice and helps ground you in the present moment. Once your body is comfortably aligned, start with your breath. Breathing is central to meditation, acting as a gateway to calm the mind and relax the body. Inhale deeply through your nose, allowing the air to fill your abdomen and expand your chest. Exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing tension and letting your breath flow naturally. Repeat this cycle, observing how each breath draws you closer to stillness. Pay attention to the subtle sensations in your nostrils, throat, and lungs as the air flows in and out. If your mind wanders, gently guide it back to the rhythm of your breath without judgment. This process not only soothes the nervous system, but also acts as a soft invitation for sleep. As your breath finds its rhythm, allow your awareness to scan your body. Start from the crown of your head and slowly move downward, noticing any areas of tension or discomfort. With each exhale, imagine releasing tightness from these areas, letting them soften and relax. Feel your forehead smooth out, your jaw unclench, and your shoulders release their weight into the bed. Continue this journey through your arms, chest, abdomen, legs, and feet, encouraging every part of your body to surrender into the embrace of relaxation. This body scan fosters a deeper connection with your physical self, signaling your mind that it is safe to let go. During this practice, thoughts may arise, pulling your attention away. Recognize these thoughts without resistance, as if they were passing clouds, and then gently redirect your focus to your breath or body. This act of returning to the present moment cultivates mindfulness and diminishes the grip of worries or stress that might interfere with sleep. Remember, the goal is not to suppress thoughts, but to observe them with curiosity and release them without attachment. As you continue lying in your sleeping position, visualize a peaceful scene that evokes calmness. It could be a quiet beach with gentle waves lapping at the shore, a tranquil forest bathed in soft sunlight, or even a cozy room with a crackling fireplace. Engage all your senses in this visualization. Imagine the soothing sounds, the faint aromas, the textures, and the colors of the scene. Let this imagery envelop you, offering your mind a sanctuary where it can rest and rejuvenate. To deepen your practice, incorporate affirmations or mantras. Silently repeat phrases such as, "I am safe," "I am at peace," or "I welcome restful sleep." Align these affirmations with the rhythm of your breath, allowing their positive energy to resonate throughout your body and mind. If a mantra feels too structured, consider focusing on a single word like calm or ease, repeating it with each exhale. This repetition serves as an anchor, quieting mental chatter and nurturing serenity. For those seeking a guided element, soft music or a meditation app can complement your practice. Choose sounds or narratives specifically designed for sleep meditation. Ensure that the volume is low enough to be non-intrusive, but audible enough to guide your focus. The gentle tones of a guided voice or ambient music can harmonize with your meditative efforts, creating a cocoon of comfort that lulls you into slumber. As your meditation unfolds, embrace the stillness within. This stillness is not about the absence of movement or sound, but a profound sense of being present and whole. Allow yourself to simply exist in this state without striving for an outcome. Sleep will naturally arise from this space of deep relaxation and surrender. Trust that your body and mind know how to transition into rest when given the opportunity. Consistency is key to reaping the full benefits of meditation for better sleep. Integrate this practice into your nightly routine, treating it as a sacred ritual. Over time, you will notice an enhanced ability to let go of daily stressors and an increased capacity to drift into sleep with ease. Your efforts in cultivating mindfulness and relaxation will not only transform your nights, but also enhance your overall well-being. If you find this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to support more content like this. Your feedback and comments are invaluable for refining and expanding these practices to benefit even more individuals seeking restful sleep. In this journey, patience and self-compassion are your greatest allies. Every meditation session, whether it leads directly to sleep or simply provides a moment of peace, is a step toward greater harmony within yourself. Continue exploring, adapting, and embracing this practice as a lifelong companion in your pursuit of restful, rejuvenating sleep.